20th October 2011, where the entire regional plan of state stands notified. After the plan was notified, many village groups had come and called on us. We had a meeting with them. They said that they had some reservation with respect to certain panchayats, certain areas. And I had given instructions that time that the state level committee headed by the then architect Sri Charles Kuraya will hear them and try to resolve the issues. Accordingly, they had started the hearings at that time, but immediately the code came and nothing could be done. 4/6/2012, the plan was kept in abeyance by an administrative order. I had asked Mr. Francis D'Souza in the assembly, show me a provision in the Town and Country. I am not going on other things. Show me a provision in the Town and Country Planning Act under which the state government has powers to keep it in abeyance or to compare it with some other regional plan and give approval. It says government has powers. Government has powers to withdraw the town planning, RP plan, which the Rane government did. If you remember, 2011 plan was withdrawn and they directed the chief town planner to prepare a fresh plan. So state government has powers to withdraw the plan, but there is absolutely no withdrawal of regional plan. There is a provision for the chief town planner shall withdraw the operations of the revised regional plan from the date as directed by the government in entirety or in part.
गोंयकारांचो एकवट प्रादेशीक आराखडो 2021 डिनोटिफाय करात म्हूण मागता.
When the regional plan 2021 came, it was Congress government which was there. They fought against them, correct? Then again, people bought a new government, that was BJP government. Our thing, our struggle and our motto of fighting for government and especially to protect the environment, everything, that has not sabotaged. It is the same, that struggle is still there. Even now, as you said, Goa Forward was there. We supported them because we needed support from them. But now, we have seen that these people are playing that, they are showing their true colors. But we have not given up the challenges that what we had taken up. We have not given up. We are not sacrificing anything, but we are standing to the same principles.
And वो plan denotify करीना, जाल्यार आमी गांव-गांवांनी वयतले आनी तुमचे एगेन्स्ट आमी सगळो प्रचार करतले. ही गोवा फॉरवर्डान गोंयचे कशें निसंतण केला, गोंय खंय पाड घालना ह्या तिगा मंत्र्यांनी गोवा फॉरवर्डान, कित्याक आमी बीजेपीक दोश दिना. हे गोवा फॉरवर्डान बीजेपीक एकठांय रावन सरकार केला आनी हो सरकार हे गोंय पाड घालपाक केलो, हे आमी ओपन सांगता ताका विजय सरदेसाय.
कसिनो दवरतले काय बंद करतले ते थारावचे पयलीं कसिनोची फी वाडयतात म्हूण अलेक्सान तिगांचे मंत्री सल्लागार समितीक तोमणो मारलो.
एन जोरी तर येता गव्हर्मेंटान डिसिजन घेयलें देवपाक, कित्याक रिप्रेजेंटेशन करपाक येते. आय एम गिवींग यू प्री नोटीस वॉट दे वॉन्ट टू डू इंडस्ट्री. बट इंडस्ट्री कितें जावपा जाय, इंडस्ट्री तुका जाय ओ ना ती तुगेलें डिसिजन जावपा जाय आसलें. It should have been whether you want the industry or not, and in discussion before renewal or before tenka cabinet decision din extension this temple japa zarle. Kaina, the government has totally lost its the sense of governance. Now this such of government doesn't have the authority to rule.
Bureau report, Prudent.